Is your jaw getting a workout from endless yawning? Here's what your body might be trying to tell you. Yawning isn't just a sign you need a nap. It can actually be your body's way of waving a little warning flag. Sure, we yawn when we're sleepy or bored, but did you know you might yawn more if you're stressed, low on oxygen, or even overheating? Scientists believe yawning helps cool your brain and boost alertness. But here's the kicker. Yawning a lot could signal something more serious like sleep disorders, anxiety, or even heart problems. So next time you find yourself stifling another yawn, don't just shrug it off. Your body might be telling you it's time for a break, some fresh air, or even a check-in with your doctor. Stay curious, listen to your body, and don't sleep on your health.